The Pwr Drive Evo is an evolution of the construction/deck screw. It has a very special configuration with a far wider action gap than all the other screws on the market. And it has this double thread setup that creates a natural squeezing effect. And this effect is exactly what you're looking for, especially if you're toe screwing, meaning that you're screwing at an angle.
Now we're going to compare the red screw with the Evo. So let's start with the red screw. As you can see, it is perfectly installed, yet there's a gap remaining there. Let's take the Evo. Now the connection is perfectly secure, and that's because of the second thread. That allows me to get this perfect finish. Here we have one 6-inch screw. Connection is perfect. Here we have one 3-inch screw, and again, perfect connection.
The Pwr Drive Evo, the strongest wood-to-wood connection money can buy.